How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best picture settings for your Mi TV. So it's extremely simple to do this. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the main settings of your Mi TV. You could do that by heading over to the gear icon at the top corner of your screen. From there, basically click on the all setting, and then we will be taken to this page. Now, you want to set the following setting by heading over to the custom setting right here. Basically, the first thing that I recommend is setting your user mode to the movie or user picture mode for more natural colors. You want to set your brightness around 48 to 50, the contrast between 45 to 60, and then you want to keep your sharpness low, basically between 0 or 10, to avoid the artifacts. You want to disable motion smoothing, and you want to set your color temperature to standard or warm for accurate, less fatiguing visual. And so basically that's the best settings, or that's the best picture settings for your Mi TV. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.